Create the template or just get it done? This was a problem that I was facing today, and it's a tough call. It's literally a tough call. You might have faced this before. You might not even considered the decision. And if you don't consider this decision at all, then you by default just go ahead and get it done. The particular situation was for an application funnel. So if you've been through .com secrets, then you will recognize the application funnel. Typically, it looks something like an opt-in, then some content, and then there's an application. When the application comes through, it's decided yes or no, and then you schedule a call, or the person schedules a call with you to have a phone call about the item for sale. It's typically for high ticket items, something over 5,000 up to 25,000, 100,000, whatever the amount is. But this is a very powerful funnel. And I had the choice. I'm aware that, hey, I've often got that choice between making the template and then having that template be able to be used over and over again, and also shared with others so they don't have to go through the work. Or I just get it done, which is quicker in the short term. It's quicker in the short term just to get it done, but its longer term value is less. Now, sure, you could take that completed thing that's done, in this case, the copy for the application funnel, and then reverse engineer it and go and drop in all the blanks of the various bits that make up that application funnel. But the downside of doing that is that you don't get the run through. You don't get the actual testing. You see, when I make the template first, or we make the template first, then there's the opportunity to test it and see whether it actually works. You see, when you do the work first and then reverse engineer it, you may run into an interesting problem. And that is that you think that it works. I think that it works, but in actual fact, it doesn't. And this might be perhaps the highest value for doing it as the template first. First of all, I want you to take that you have a choice. In virtually all of the work that you do, there will be a template that you can use. We can use templates and get work done quickly. If there is no template, then you'll have this choice. Do I make the template or do I do the work? And when we choose to do the template, it's slower up front, but in the long term, it's far more powerful. Not only every time that we do work again will it actually function quicker, but also it is shareable. So I'd like to consider a change in mindset, that we begin to at least ask the question, should this be done as a template? And then you might have a little subsequent challenge, and that is, well, hang on, we've got these templates, how do we use them? And what I want you to consider, what I do is that those templates go in processes, that there's documented usage, and it says, open this template, copy this template, and then stick the template into your project management system as the copy. And then you will have your clean template, and you will have copied it so that it can be used. This is a very powerful methodology, a powerful principle of systems in general, that you want to copy things to use them. All right, that's all I got for you today. A little question mark. Should we do templates or should we do the work? I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you need help around systems, processes, and templates to get what you really want, which is results, head over to systemio.dev. Look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode as we continue this journey into the power of systems to create results, create what we want, which is results. I look forward to seeing you then.